Today's video is on resilience in IT leadership. In the words of renowned neuroscientist and psychologist Richard Davidson, resilience is the maintenance of high levels of positive effect and well-being in the face of adversity. It's not that resilient individuals never experience negative effect, but rather that the negative effect does not persist. Picture yourself as a captain of a ship navigating through a stormy sea. The relentless waves try to capsize your vessel at every turn. Now envision the ship as your technology business or IT project, and the storm as the challenges that you face. Well, resilience is that force that Davidson is referring to, that force that enables us to withstand the rough seas and thrive in the face of that adversity. In our digital age, marked by technological breakthroughs and unforeseen disruptions, it demands from us not just skill and knowledge, but an indomitable spirit. It demands resilience. And it isn't just about bouncing back, but springing forward with renewed vigor. Through the lens of philosophy and modern leadership paradigms, we can break down the key aspects of resilience, specifically in IT leadership, in terms of 5 key facets or aspects. Each is crucial. The first facet is adaptability. So think adaptability amidst technological change. With technology evolving at breakneck speed, leaders are confronted with the Herculean task of staying abreast of innovations and ensuring systems and processes aren't rendered obsolete. From adapting to cloud migrations to understanding the nuances of AI and quantum computing, the technological landscape is in perpetual flux. And the hallmark of an effective IT leader is the ability to ride these waves of change rather than to be engulfed by them. And this means not just being reactive, but also being anticipatory. So regular training sessions, dedicating resources to R&D, and fostering a culture that embraces change are all crucial. Adept leaders inculcate a mindset where change is viewed not as a disruption, but as an evolution. In the fluid realm of IT, change is the only constant. As LinkedIn's co-founder Reid Hoffman suggests, envisioning organizations or projects as startups equips leaders with a mindset primed for adaptability. This approach acknowledges the transient nature of tech trends and ensuring that IT leaders remain agile and ready to pivot or scale based on emerging technological shifts. Now, the second aspect is embracing a growth mindset. I just did a video on this not long ago. I'll put a link to it below. You can check that out. So regarding a growth mindset, technology initiatives bring inherent complexity and virtually guarantee setbacks. Systems might crash, code has bugs, projects might derail. However, adopting a growth mindset can change the narrative. In this paradigm, challenges are not endpoints, but inflection points. They signal areas of growth, and IT leaders who champion this mindset view every error as an insight, every failure as a stepping stone, and this not only boosts team morale, but also drives innovation, encouraging risks without the paralyzing fear of failure. So again, check out my video on growth mindset. I'll put the link at the end and below in the description. Now, the third facet of resilient leadership is navigating challenges with stoic equanimity. Whether it's cybersecurity threats or infrastructure breakdowns, delayed projects, or runaway expenses, these challenges demand composure and strategic problem solving. So drawing from stoic philosophy, leaders can cultivate an equanimity that allows them to face challenges with a calm mind. This involves distancing oneself from immediate emotional reactions and approaching problems with rationality and clarity. Now, by doing so, IT leaders can make informed decisions that prioritize long-term gains over short-term fixes. The Stoic philosopher Epictetus said, "It's not what happens to you, but how you react to it that matters." And Confucius reportedly said that our greatest glory is not in never failing, but in rising every time we do fall. And in IT leadership, this translates to a proactive response to disruptions, be they system failures or cyber threats or project bottlenecks, by adopting a solution-oriented approach rather than fixating on the problem. IT leaders can transform challenges into opportunities for refinement. Now, the fourth facet is on the softer side, having vulnerability in terms of team dynamics. Behind every solution, every software, every algorithm, and every network are teams of dedicated professionals. Their well-being, motivation, and collaboration determine the success of the IT solutions. In other words, the solutions just don't run themselves. Leaders who acknowledge their vulnerabilities, understand their team's challenges, and create open channels of communication that foster an environment of trust. And this transparency bolsters team cohesion, ensuring that in the face of setbacks, the collective spirit remains undeterred. A resilient IT team is one where members feel heard, valued, and empowered. Resilience in IT isn't solely about strategic and technical prowess. Brené Brown's research underscores the importance of vulnerability, especially in terms of IT leadership roles. Recognizing challenges, empathizing with team members' experiences, and fostering an environment of open communication is absolutely essential. And in IT projects where collaboration is key, ensuring the well-being and mental well-being of team members can significantly enhance collective resilience and project outcomes. Now, it may seem counterintuitive or even paradoxical to say, well, on the one hand, we need to be stoic and rational, on the other hand, we need to be empathetic and vulnerable. Admittedly, there is a line that needs to be walked there and a balance that needs to be struck, but both of those are important. Now, for the fifth and final aspect of resilience, strategic vision. Tech transformation necessitates foresight. Organizations without a clear vision can get mired in the present, losing sight of future prospects. Strategic IT leaders constantly juxtapose current operations with future aspirations. They're adept at crafting roadmaps. They're flexible yet focused, and through regular SWOT analyses, scenario planning, and stakeholder engagements, they ensure the organization's tech trajectory aligns with its broader mission. And in doing so, they encourage not just survival, but thriving in the competitive tech landscape. Jim Collins' insights on confronting present challenges while maintaining an unwavering belief in eventual success have profound implications on IT leadership. By juxtaposing current IT challenges with long-term organizational goals, leaders can draft strategies rooted in realism, yet buoyed by optimism. And this balance ensures sustained momentum, even when navigating the most complex IT challenges. So, in conclusion, resilience in IT leadership is a multifaceted concept encompassing adaptability, a growth-oriented mindset, stoic navigation of challenges, vulnerability and team dynamics, and strategic vision. And by weaving these elements into the fabric of IT leadership, professionals can not only weather the storms of technological disruptions, but also chart the stormy seas of the digital age. So, those are some quick thoughts on resilient IT leadership. I hope it helps. Thank you for joining me today on this exploration. If you found this discussion valuable, please like and subscribe and leave a comment. And if you have a suggestion for a future topic, let me know and I'll consider it for an upcoming short take. Take care.